Kieha na maithori nicio ihumbire thukuru wa misheni wa St Joseph mwena wa Mwingi kaunti-ini ya Kitui endwa na arata a andu 33 aria mathereririo ni maai ruui-ini rwa Enziu magicakaya na kuririkana miturire yao. Igongona riri rigitongorio ni mutungatiri wa diocese ya Kitui Joseph Mwingi na murunawe kuma diocese ya Nyeri Anthony Muheria guku andu a nyumba na arata makiremwo ni kuhitha kieha undu umwe na mathenya maria matigitwo ngoro-ini ciao.
Those who have lost their loved ones, we want to all say pole. United we have stood with you and we will continue to stand with you. 2019 tulipoteza watu 5 wakiwa kwa probox hapo ndani. Let this be the end of accidents in Enziu.
Juliet Mutua ni umwe wa aria mahutirio na njira nene ni mutino uyu, kuona makiria ma andu 10 a nyumba yao ni makuiriire mutino-ini uyu, agitutariria uria eroreire magithererio no ndari no hoti wa kumahonokia.
Family of Miss Mutua, you have exhibited great strength and courage, and we'll continue to pray with you, we'll continue to stand with you.
I pray that losing 34 people are one too many. I pray that this is going to be the last time we are meeting here to bury and pray for our loved one.
Atongoria aikiro itiganite thirikari-ini ni megwikinyitie igongona-ini riri aria ni hamwe na governor wa kaunti no Charity Ngilu, Senator wa Kitui Enoch Kiro na Minister wa mahinya Monica Juma agithoma ndumiriri ya mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta kuria thirikari iraniire guthondeka daraca eno.
My heart and prayers go out to you all at this difficult time of mourning. The departed were our dear mothers, fathers, sisters, brothers, aunties, uncles and children, as well as friends.
Mafuriko, jameni, tungoje, tusaidiane kuwa na utulivu na subira. Tanka ikipasuka papo hapa na kunapokuwa tanka inabeba mafuta, tunakimbia zote. Jameni, naomba tuweke uhai wetu mbele.
Mwingi ona gukiri uguo ni uritio kwimenyerera na makiria mahinda-ini maya mbura irathie na mbere na guthandana. Handũ-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.